£720,000 here buys you a home that could easily cost up to £2 million in parts of southern England. Let's go take a look. We're in Wynyard, one of the North East's most prestigious addresses, and this is a brand new development by Cameron Hall Homes, where each home comes with an A-rated energy performance, incredible interiors, gardens that are 3 times the size of a standard new build, and one of the coolest smart home systems. Let's find out why this development is attracting buyers looking for some of the best value luxury housing in England. Stonywood is a collection of 76 new homes, and what's really interesting is they have 21 different house types. So looking around me now, no 2 houses feel the same. Wynyard Village is known for its tree-lined streets, its custom-built mansions, and you definitely get that exclusive village setting here. Now behind me, you'll also notice there is a bungalow, which is quite rare to have in a new build development, and especially to the standard that this one is. The exact same spec as the show home. These are a great option if you're looking for something more accessible, if you're looking to downsize, if you're retiring, and they're absolutely stunning inside. We will definitely have to come back for a tour of those another day, but for now, let's get back to the show home. This is the show home we're going to be exploring today, and can we first of all take a moment to appreciate the size of this home. Cameron Hall Homes are known for being very generous with their proportions, and you will certainly see that when we get inside. But what's also interesting is how these homes are built. They use timber frame construction, which means majority of the structure is built in a factory and then assembled here on site. This is much quicker than traditional brick and block construction. It means you know that everything's going to be accurate, precise and well built, but also naturally means the house is more energy efficient. So this house stays nice and warm in the winter. On a day like today, it's absolutely boiling in there and there's not even any heating on. Now, this is just one example of the build, the design and the quality of the development, but it gets even better when we go inside, and I can't wait to show you, so follow me. Welcome inside, and what a welcome home this is. I mean, I spoke earlier about the proportions of this home, and you can definitely feel it here in the entrance. This is a proper welcome home, and there's definitely a focus on light and space. Now, this is a 4-bedroom layout that we're going to show you today, and it was last sold at £720,000. But house prices here start from £465,000 all the way up to £1.2 million. Now, this particular show home is just over 2,400 square feet, but it's not even one of the largest homes here at Stonywood. There is a home called the Cameron, which is 24% larger than this. One of the first things I noticed when I walked in is how warm it is in here. This home has underfloor heating on the ground floor. It's powered by an air source heat pump, and it also has solar panels. So it's incredibly energy efficient. It's got an EPC A rating. Now, on this ground floor, you've got a study just on my right. You've got a toilet also on my right, and then a more formal lounge. And you might be able to spot the open plan areas just ahead of me. So let's go and have a look. But before we do, one more thing on our way past that I have to show you, which I was so impressed by, is this under the stair storage. This is completely custom built, and how handy is that, and what a great use of space. They're actually pretty deep cupboards as well, so a great spot to put anything in there that you don't want on display when you're welcoming your guests in. But let's head on through to the open plan areas. Now, you can already again see how incredible the proportions are in here. So you've got your living room in front of me, you've got the kitchen, and then you've also got an orangery just around the corner there, as well as 2 points to get outside through those double doors. Now, 85 to 90% of materials you'll see in this home today are sourced from the northeast. However, a couple of exceptions. This flooring is parquet flooring, and it's from Luxembourg. And what was really impressive, I met with the developer earlier, and he told me that there were 16,000 pieces of this flooring that needed to be put together, and it took 2 weeks to do. So that is just super impressive, and it shows how much thought and time has gone into this house, and it looks beautiful. But first of all, I'm going to show you a closer look at this stunning kitchen. Now, first of all, I absolutely love the design palette of this kitchen. This is a bit of me. I love that you've got this grey tone just behind me, but also love the worktop. Now, this is actually quartz, which very impressively comes as standard throughout Cameron Hall Homes. And you've even got a waterfall edge just to show how premium everything feels in here. Now, speaking of premium, you also even have a borer induction hob and completely integrated appliances. So behind me, you can see we've got Neff integrated double ovens and also full height fridge and freezers. Now, I know an island is a very popular thing for people in new builds nowadays. So you've got this lovely, very spacious island here. This is going to be very handy for a family living here. You can imagine having casual breakfast. You've got some bar stools in front there and even just having a nice glass of wine on there. I can definitely picture myself doing that in this kitchen. Storage wise, this kitchen also delivers all along this side of the island. You have got storage options. You could pop your cutlery. You've even got a wine fridge, which I think is actually my favourite part of this home so far. There's more storage all the way along this side of the kitchen, but just in here, I want to quickly show you the utility room. In here, you have got the exact same finishes as what we saw in the kitchen. You've even got the quartz worktops in here, which is very cool. And you've also got access outside via that door on my left. Now you've got your Bosch washer and dryer in here. So this is where you're going to do all of your washing, everything that you don't want on display in the kitchen, you can just pop in here. It's a very handy space to have. Over on this side of the kitchen, you have a lot more prep space, some more worktop space. This way you're going to do your washing up, prepping your veg probably. And you might also notice there is even a cooker tap, which I love the colour of that cooker tap. This is probably the only thing that I'm going to show you in this house today that doesn't come as standard, but is an upgradable option. Now all the way along here, you've got even more storage, completely integrated appliances again. So you've got your dishwasher just there, and you've even got integrated bin storage. It really is the little things like that, just looks so much more organized than having a bin out on display. Now just in front of me is the orangery, so let's go and have a look at that. I think this is probably the first new build that I've been in that features an orangery, especially not one like this. This is incredible. There is so much gorgeous natural light coming in here, and I think you might have seen by now how premium and luxurious this home feels. And to be honest, what strikes me the most is the price point and the plot size that you get here. We have toured some apartments in London, and to be honest with you, you wouldn't get anywhere near this kind of space in a place like that. But that's what we absolutely love to do. We love to explore all of the different options, the different price points, the different designs and layouts, and share them with you all. So if you have a development that you'd like to showcase, then don't hesitate to get in touch with us on hello@thenewbuildshow.com, and we could be touring your development next. Now in here is going to be a great place for hosting. You can imagine having your family and friends sat around here. You've got someone cooking in the kitchen. And what's really nice is that this whole open plan space feels connected, but you do have these separate zones. Now you would have also noticed that incredible skylight, which again, it just floods this space with natural light. And I was also thinking, if you are a frequent hoster, you could definitely fit a larger table. You could have a long table in here if you wanted to. I think Christmas dinners here would be pretty nice. On the New Build Show, what tends to attract a lot of comments is about the gardens. For me, this one is actually really impressive and I'm very excited to show you, so follow me. Stepping outside, and the sun has finally come out today, which is a special treat for the tour. Now, out here, this is definitely one of the most notable features of Stony Wood. Look at the size of this garden. Now, Cameron Hall homes are known for having their gardens approximately 3 times larger than the UK average for a new build home, and you can definitely see that out here. It's a great size, but this isn't even one of the biggest ones on the development. There is a show home just behind me, which is even bigger, so that's super impressive. This plot size is just great because the lawn actually spreads around the side of the property too, so there is just so much space. You can imagine how well this would work for a family. So much space, you've got the kids running around, you've got the adults up here entertaining. It's just ideal for family life. I'm just so impressed with not only the home itself, but the setting that it's a part of. As I mentioned, we're in one of the Northeast's most prestigious residential locations, where luxury living is centred around green space, beautifully maintained surroundings, and a genuine sense of community. Throughout the estate, you'll find miles of woodland walks, scenic trails, and open parkland, making it incredibly easy to get outside, whether that's for an early morning run, a weekend walk with the family, or simply taking in the scenery. You've also got the historic Wynyard Hall nearby, so whether you're visiting for afternoon tea, the gardens, a spa day, or an evening meal like us later on today, it adds another layer of lifestyle that few developments can offer. Right, back inside now, and flowing on from the kitchen and dining space, you have your living area. Now, the first thing that strikes me in here is the design. It's absolutely beautiful. It kind of feels like something you would see in maybe a London apartment or townhouse. You've got this beautiful inbuilt shelving and a really nice place to display anything you want on show, but also there's some handy storage just underneath there too. And what I really like about the placement of this room is you can still hear everything that's going on if you've got friends or family over in the kitchen and in the dining room, but you can still have your favourite thing on TV in the background. Back in the entrance now, there is a guest toilet just here on my right. Again, a really great size, and this features Porcelanosa tiles that have been imported from Spain. Again, very premium, and this is one of the only materials that was not sourced here in the northeast. This is a really handy space to have if you're going to be having guests over. And also just here on my right, there is a study. Now this is what you call a proper home office. And if you work from home, this is exactly the kind of space that makes moving to the countryside so appealing. Instead of trying to cramp all of your things and a desk into a spare bedroom or a busy city apartment, having a space like this is so useful. I mean, I can definitely picture myself working from home in here. You've got lovely natural light coming in and it's beautifully designed. I absolutely love that feature wall there, and you've also got lots of handy storage options, so if you work from home, this is just going to be ideal. Just opposite the study, you have another living space, which is more of a formal lounge and would be another great place to host in. Now you've got some lovely natural light coming in, and also I've noticed a fireplace. That is a real working chimney too, so you can imagine in the winter time, it's really nice to have a space like this away from the open plan areas that you can just cozy up in. There isn't a TV in here at the moment, so that's one of the first things I would personally do. A lovely Netflix evening in here with the fire going would be lovely. Another thing I noticed as soon as I walked in here is the surround sound. This is actually in all of the family areas down here. The kitchen, dining area, they're just more visible in this room, and you get these smart speakers as standard on this development. Plus this home has one of the coolest smart home automation systems. So everything is controlled via an app on your phone. So lighting, heating and sound. And one of the really cool things is you can create automated scenes. So as I was saying, a movie night in here would be lovely. You can create a scene where you just go movie night, so you'd probably want to dim the lights, maybe put the heating up a little bit on a winter's evening. You can just tap that and you can create all of these different scenes for the morning as well. And for me, one of the main advantages of having a system like this is the convenience of it. So imagine you're on holiday. I personally have done this so many times, and you remember that you've left on the lights, you've left on the heating. You can literally just go on your phone and control it all through there. Very convenient. Okay, that's the ground floor complete. I think it's time to go and have a look at some bedrooms. Welcome upstairs to your beautiful landing space. You've got this lovely glass balustrade, lots of natural light coming through, and up here there is such a great flow. So just to my right is the main bedroom, then we've got a family bathroom, 2 children's room and a guest suite. So follow me through to the principal. Now this is a gorgeous primary bedroom. Look at the size of this. You've got this stunning 4-poster bed with this very funky curtain. You've got the most incredible Juliet balcony. I can definitely picture a nice morning coffee there in the sunshine. And you can also tell the scale of this room because the space for a seating area, absolutely love those chairs, and even a chest of drawers. But for me, the highlight of this room is just here. Now, a walk-in wardrobe is something you'd find in a really luxury home, and you've got your very own right here. And there is so much space. You've got drawer space, and then you've also got all of the wardrobe space. I mean, this is what dreams are made of. Now, this room, of course, also comes with its own ensuite, which is just through here. All of the ensuites in this home are very similar in their very high spec. So the sanitary ware is Porcelanosa, very premium. So you've got your sink, you've got your toilet, and then you've also got the beautiful walk-in shower with some gorgeous tiling. You can definitely tell they haven't cut any corners. I love that everything feels sturdy, properly done, and just really high quality. Okay, back in the landing now, the family bathroom is just on my right. Another very high quality bathroom, again with the Porcelanosa sanitary ware. This one does come with a bath, so if you are a bath person, you're probably going to be in here quite a bit. But also, there is no ensuite in the guest bedroom, so this is going to be where your guests are, and I certainly wouldn't mind my guests coming in here. So this side of the house is the children's rooms, which are so cute. But if you don't have children, this would still be ideal as a guest suite. They're both really great sizes. I absolutely, again, love the design in here. It's so cute. This is what I call bunk beds, but make it premium. So you've got two beds here. If you've got two kids, I'm sure they're going to absolutely love it in here. And it's got the little stairs just at the side. Now this one also has a Jack and Jill ensuite just through there. So let's go and have a look. This Jack and Jill ensuite is so handy for a family living here. I mean, when I was younger, I wouldn't have minded sharing this gorgeous bathroom with one of my siblings, and also it just means that the adult bathrooms can stay nice and tidy and the kids can be in here together. Now this leads on to the second children's bedroom. This bedroom is designed more for a boy, as you can see, and the other one was slightly larger. I can imagine if this was me and my brother when I was younger, I would have bagsied the larger one, but still a pretty good size. And like I said, if you don't have children, a great guest suite. Following the flow of this landing space, the guest suite is just in front of me. Before we enter this room, I have just noticed something. Look at how thick these walls are. I mean, we were told these were well insulated, but that is some serious insulation. So like I said, you're going to be saving a lot of money on your energy bills. But let's have an explore of this beautiful guest suite. This bedroom feels a little bit more neutral. It feels very relaxing too, and this would just be perfect for your guests. I'm sure they would like it in here. Lovely natural light coming in again, and there's also some built-in storage just here. I am so impressed with the quality of this home. I mean, from the open plan living spaces to the bedrooms to the size of the garden, the proportions are super impressive. And I'm intrigued to see which one of these bedrooms was your favourite. Now that I'm sat here, I'm thinking maybe I would choose this one. I love the design, but let us know in the comments below which one you would pick. Right, that brings us to the end of today's tour. I hope you've enjoyed, and make sure to let us know in the comments below what you thought of this property. If you would like any more information on this Stonywood development, all of the info for Cameron Hall Homes will be in the description box below. But for now, we'll see you in the next video. This is not your average new build. Set within an exclusive village, this £695,000 home features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and one of the best kitchens we've seen. And the crazy part is, someone is going to own this for a lot less than what it's worth.